When nitrogen is critical to your operations, you can't afford to worry about scheduling deliveries through an unstable supply chain or managing fluctuating costs. Traditional delivery can be unreliable and less flexible than your processes require. Fortunately, Gardner Denver has a full line of on-site nitrogen generation solutions that give you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. You can lower your operating cost and eliminate waste while still preventing combustion, corrosion, and product spoilage. Whereas 10 to 20% of bulk nitrogen is typically wasted during extraction from cylinders, on-site generation prevents this waste, reducing usage and cost. You can free up valuable floor space and eliminate safety issues related to bulk storage. And on-site generation uses the freely available nitrogen that exists in the air. So your only expense is the cost of operating the system. No matter your requirements, Gardner Denver has a solution to meet your precise demand. With purities ranging from 95% to 99.999%. You can select pressure swing absorption (PSA) technology, which drives down operating costs and delivers purities above 99.5%. Or you can select membrane technology for lower initial costs. Like all products from Gardner Denver, you can expect the highest quality and reliability. Our generators come pre-assembled and tested at the factory and are covered by standard extended warranty to keep you protected for 24 to 30 months. Declare your independence from purchased bulk nitrogen with reliable on-site generation for applications such as blanketing, laser cutting, packaging, and more. Contact Gardner Denver today to see how we can help you identify the right solution for your needs.